letter C is trying to push a stuck car out of the mud. Do you see anything that can help the letter C?
I see the crane!
Cool, but the crane only works when it hears the sound K that the letter C makes. Let's say it together to help our stuck car. The C says K. The C says K, as in crane.
Thank you, Crane. C is for crane.
And C is for car. Our next letter is D. Introducing Shaun the Train alphabet wall decals by Coil Book.
Shine bright, little star.